Episode number 72, and as we are nearing, you see many changes happening, which is the sign of project getting completed. Look at the passage. The wall beautification of passage is very much in the shape of getting completed. Kitchen area, we have started with the loft framing. So you see the carcasses and the framing for the loft, which is going on. Tall unit is completed. Even the alignment of preliminary alignment of PVC rolling shutter has been completed yesterday. So well, this is the tall unit 2, which is coming in the kitchen area adjoining the breakfast counter and the serving platform. This is the living room's TV unit, which is going on. So you see painter painting only a patch. That is because that is going to get covered in the furniture, so we don't like the walls to be unfinished, so we are painting it before the box is getting fitted. This room is majorly completed. The G7 countertop has also been installed, so which is covered currently. This is my painting team. They are in the process of getting the furniture area covered so that they can start their work. Carpentry painting is happening currently. So majorly I've explained you most of the things which are coming in the master bedroom, but I'll be explaining everything in depth in the final video. So thank you guys. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.